On guys, Pokemon Card Collector here, back at it again with another video, and I'm doing an unboxing. I actually attempted the first try, but it took forever to open this, and then I realized on the back it had just a tear open thing. But yeah, anyways, I have been saving coins, and I'll be going to Coinstars, cashing those in, and getting getting Amazon vouchers for cards. But yeah, let's get into this. They're wrapped in newspaper. Let's see if there are any good sales. These are 123 vintage Pokemon cards. I'm pretty sure they're all commons and uncommons. I paid like $10, $4 shipping. Isn't it? Okay, they packaged this good. I like how they package it. Very nice. It's just not that good for the video, because the video time, you know. Yeah, here they are. Move all this. Vintage cards. It says there's 123 cards in here. Yeah, these are vintage. If you want to go check them out. Okay, let's read the note. Thank you very much needed. Oh, I'm not going to say the name. Please come shop again and save, I don't even know what number that is, off your next purchase after $50. Message me on eBay for details. Cheers. P.S. Come like us on Facebook. And then they drew a dog. Oh, some of these cards are not so good condition, like this one, Nodriona. Look at that. But lots of them are still in good condition. Oh dang, a lot of these aren't in great condition. For Pikachu. Okay, well, I'll go through these. I thought they were gonna be in better condition, but okay. Yeah, I need to actually Charmeleon. So I'm just gonna go through these. Well, this is gonna be hard to go through. It would take forever. So I'll just go through these quickly. They're all commons and uncommons anyways. You guys, I don't know if you guys would be interested in seeing these. Lots of them are not that great condition. There's more over here. It comes with an energy and 2 trainers, though. That's fine. Squirtle. Another Squirtle. Awesome stuff. Oh, there's another energy. More turtles. Trainers. Well, yeah, this was the lot. I am sorry that you didn't get to see it that much. In my next update video, you'll see these cards more, because I'm going to be putting them into a binder. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See you later.